So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is another project we started in the last few days. So what we've done on this project so far is brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Then what we're going to be doing is cut out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, putting a new plinth on the base of the property, some nice new period air vents to finish that off. We are going to be tuck pointing the whole facade, so lots of tuck pointing to do on this project. Then we are taking everything back to natural stone once again, so getting all the old paint off all of the stonework and stripping that all back, taking it all back to natural stone. Lots of detail to be restored on here, so all of these dog teeth are all going to go back to natural stone. Quite a few indents to do here as well. As you can see, all the bad bricks are going to need cutting out and replacing. New roof going on as well, so new tiled roof, new gutterings going on. Upstairs we're doing the same sort of thing, so once again lots of bricks to cut out. All of the stonework, stripping all of that back now. All of this is going to look amazing once it's all been restored back to bar stone. All of the gable work as well to do. Looking at the window reveals, they're all going to need redoing. Customers had not long had a new roof, so that's all good there as well. So all this flaky paint, we're going to get all of this off, get it all back to that beautiful natural stone. You can see the original stone here underneath, so getting all of this back, hone it all in, get all these profiles lovely and square, all the areas nice and sharp. More bricks to cut out and replace all in this section here. A lot of tuck pointing, a lot of stonework to be restored on this one, so this project's going to keep us busy for the next 4 to 5 weeks, no doubt. Another tuck pointing and natural stone project underway in Sidcup. Got another one starting. Scaffold's already up in Elton. That's another full natural stone project, and penny roll pointing. So real busy run up now till Christmas. Trying to get all of our customers fitted in before Christmas. Fully booked now till March next year, so really busy times for us. So we'll show you some more progress with this in the next few days, and then take it from there. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is just an update video of our project we're currently working on. So what we've been doing on this project is we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Then we've repointed all of the brickwork in a tuck pointing style. So as you can see, once again another perfect finish to the brickwork as always. What else we've done on this project is we removed all of the paint from all of the stonework, sorry, on the front of the property, and taking it all back to natural stone. So as you can see, that looks really well with the tuck pointing. All that's left to do now is literally the stone pointing, so pointing up all of the open joints on all of the stonework. But as you can see, the detail in the stonework as always, perfect finish. So we've got a few little repairs, stone indents to do on some of the stonework, but if you can see the detail once again on that stonework, looks really good. Looks fantastic up against the tuck pointing. Customer is having a new roof here replaced, so got lots of broken tiles before we started the project, so he's having all of this replaced just to finish off a few bits and pieces. Upstairs, it's going to show you how it looks upstairs. Same again, as you can see, all of the window sills all perfectly restored and all squared, looking great. Just more stone pointing to do on the stonework on the whole facade just to finish it off. So we'll come back in the next couple of days, start the stone pointing here, get this all finished before Christmas for the customer, and then I do believe now the customer has decided our work looks so good, they're going to have to replace the windows. So as you can see, I'm going to go for probably a wooden sash window now just to finish it all off. Hopefully they can bring the frames right out to the stonework If not, we can just repoint all of that anyway. Big job this one. Lads was on here for about good 10 weeks, 10 to 12 weeks. Very time consuming piece of work, tuck pointing and taking it all back to natural stone, but everyone involved has done an amazing job. It looks absolutely faultless as always. So nearly getting there on this project. Lots and lots of inquiries on this street for people so impressed with the quality of work. They're looking to do exactly the same thing here down in Dulwich. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks we can get the scaffolding down on this project and get some good photographs of this project before and afters, because the transformation is unbelievable. So once again, another project coming along very nicely, finished to the highest standard as always. So if you do like the look of this project, or you've got any questions, or you'd like a free quotation, give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is another project that's all been completed now. We finished this one back end of last summer, just came back to do new front wall, railings. Customers waiting for the new windows to go in, so we had to do some repair works around the windows. So what we did on this project was brick cleaned all the brickwork back to its natural colour. We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. We repointed all of the brickwork in a tuck pointing finish. So I'll just give you a little close up of how that all looks. So as you can see, looks absolutely perfect finish, complements the facade really well. What else we did on this project was stripped all of the paint off all of the stonework and taking it all back to natural stone. As you can see, the detail in all of the stonework looks incredible. Everything's all been pointed up on the stonework. Everything's lovely and sharp and square. So the great benefit of this is the customer never has to do any painting now to the stonework. But if you can see all the carvings in all of the stonework throughout, all new drip moulds in underneath all of the window sills, new plinth on the base of the property, new front wall rendered with coping stones and railings. Customers had a new front door as well, that just finishes it off perfectly. New Victorian tile path, some nice new period air vents, some new cast iron downpipes, just to finish that transformation off, and a new tiled roof there as well. So this project looks absolutely outstanding. Customers over the moon with how it all looks, and this again is one of my favourite projects to date. 10 out of 10 finish. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.